Hey guys, welcome to Computer Scientist channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu terminal in Windows 10. So let's get started. First things first, that is to turn on a feature in Windows, which will enable us to use Ubuntu on Windows. To turn that on, go to Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, open Turn on Windows Features on or off. There you need to find Windows Subsystem for Linux. Turn it on. If that feature is not showing in your system, then update your Windows to the latest version, and after turning it on, restart your system. Now the second part is to install Ubuntu on Windows. Go to Microsoft Store, search for Ubuntu. The direct link is given below in the description. You can directly download it from there. Now press the install button. After installing, press the launch button to launch the terminal. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes, sometimes even more, to complete the installation process. Once installation is done, give a username, then enter, then the password. Now whatever you type here is recorded or read by the terminal, but it will not show you whatever you are typing, or it will not even show you cursor movement. So whatever you are typing as a password is being recorded by the terminal. Once you type the password, enter, it will again ask you to retype the password. Now once it is done, your Ubuntu terminal is ready to run on your personal computer. Now to reopen Ubuntu, just go to Start and search for Ubuntu. From here you can open the Ubuntu and start working on it. Let's check it by giving some simple commands. Yes, it is working fine. So guys, that's it. And if you are facing any problems while installing, or if you want any tutorials regarding any other software installation, comment it below and hit that subscribe button for more such videos. Thank you.